It took me 10 years and thousands of posts to master Instagram, but now I'm opening up my secrets in this easy to follow course. This is one of our fastest growing Instagram accounts. As you can see, it has 127,000 followers, but it wasn't always like that. Back in September of 2023, it only had 1,400 followers, and as you can see, it didn't really grow much over the course of those few months. But we took it over in January of this year, and we put the systems and processes in place that we teach in this course, and as you can see, it exploded with growth after maybe 2 months. There is a foundational process that every Instagram account needs to go through in order to set yourself up for success and viral growth. So if you follow all the steps in this course, your account might grow from 100 to 1,000 to 100,000 followers. I'm here, I'm a coach. You're gonna go through 4 hours of video training in this course, and I'm really proud of what we've done here. So if you wanna unlock our secrets, sign up now.